Hi everyone, today we got some sand art for you guys to show. So you could just buy these little package of sands like at the Dollar Tree or something, or a craft store. And we just have these fun little bottles. And then we have these to plug it with. And then we have a little funnel to put them in. And then we have this little thing to see if any of them are stuck. We could just do that. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start with the smiley face. So, I'm thinking of going glitter. Because I feel like if I get the glitter, then I... Wait, is that what I think it is? Mom, I think that this is glow in the dark.
Ooh, is it? Kind of looks like it could be, doesn't it? We'll have to check it out with the black light.
Okay.
So you just pour in the sand.
Let's see what we can make with this.
So how much are you pouring in?
I don't know.
Just whatever you want to make your design?
Yeah, pretty much. That.
It's looking cool.
Mm-hmm. I'm trying to make a symbol of some sort.
A kind of symbol.
I don't remember it, but I saw it at this one store. I saw it on the sign of a store, and it had it was a yoga store.
Ah,
A yoga store. It had all these colors, like it had green, orange, pink, blue, purple, and then I just put the glitter down there. Wait, I'm gonna keep it like this because my mommy likes doing yoga. Wait, mommy?
I do like doing yoga.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna cover it up with some. What is at the bottom? Okay, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna cover it up with some orange. Because I think that's how it goes. Oh yeah. And you see, if that ever happens to you, just do that. Yeah, now I remember it. Remember what you do next. Next it was pink.
Well, that's looking really neat.
Uh-oh. See, look what's happening. It's overcoming that now. Thank you.
That's a lot of blue.
Yeah. Blue is one of my favorite colors. If they have red, that would be super good. Because at least if they have orange. Oh, well, that's a problem. What's the second thing? I don't remember. I think it was green? Yeah, it was green. So Mom, can I tell you something what was cool about the yoga store?
Sure.
It only had green going 2 times.
Oh.
I don't want to shake it up because I might actually knock all of it together, and I don't want that happening. I think I could put the purple. I just did a bear. This is just showing you because you thought like if you guys were saying like I poured it out into there. No, I did not.
So yeah, that little one shaped like a bear. That's cute.
Wait.
Ooh, I like the silver glitter in the middle.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to make them look like apart from each other. Like see green. I didn't do purple next to each other at all. What could I do with this one? But this time they're a bit closer. So I need to add some purple. And I'm gonna have to put the funnel in. Here goes the funnel. No, I want it to go into there.
How are you gonna get it up into their ears?
Oh, I'm gonna use this. Or I could just do that. I just have to move it. So I just add more sand like that. So I feel like I'm gonna use something to make it not look like this one. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna like swirl the colors together.
Huh. Whoa, what are you doing?
Doing something crazy.
Swirling it all around. Well, it didn't move it very much, did it?
Oh, really? You don't know what it did, do you?
I don't.
Look at that top ear right there.
Oh, you filled up the ear.
Yeah. So, I realized something. Since we have all that sand, I made sure that it was enough to just go boom. Now watch. See, it adds more sand in there. Guys, I can't really see what it just... Whoa, wait a second.
What's it doing?
That's what I just did.
Oh, that's cool.
This side, I made it look, on each side it looks different.
Yeah, it does.
Awesome. That's just what I wanted. Okay, that top ear is all done. Now we just gotta get that in. Finish the bear.
All right. Got 2 more to make. Let's put some of the glow in the dark sand in more and then we'll try them on the black light.
Glow in the dark. I do not know how cool this is going to be. Whoa, that just filled. Don't worry, because we still have plenty of it.
If you'll have some extra sand left, you can do another project maybe. Look at that glitter. It's really sparkly.
Just pumping sand. Did you see what I just did, Mom? Look.
You've got this down to a science.
There. Now look. Wait, I got the ears all done. You know what that means, what I'm gonna have to do? Pour out some of this stuff so at least I can shove that in. Some of that stuff out. There we go. Now can this get in? Yeah. Now got it in. I have
What are you doing? You already plugged that one up.
I know, but I want it because I figured out how to get the ears. So I was gonna get the glitter and I was gonna purple some glitter in, but maybe it won't let me.
Should we see what it looks like under the black light now? The moment of truth. You plug in the black light and I'll turn off the light.
Okay. Black light. Okay. Whoa!